Can you share your screen in Google Meet? And if you can, how exactly do you do it? So here I am on Google Meet. I'm going to enter in a new meeting. So here we are in the Google Meet. Apologies if the audio went a little bit quiet, but what you would do is you would click on this laptop icon with the upwards pointing arrow. You can see if you hover over it, it will say share screen. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to then ask you, what exactly do you want to share? So you can share an individual Google Chrome tab, you can share an individual window, or the entire screen. If you want to share your entire screen, I'd recommend you go to this one, click on it, and then go ahead and click share. Once you've done that, it will then start to share your screen. It's then going to give you a warning that you're presenting, and if you click show my screen anyway, you're going to get like an infinity loop, but this is going to mean that your screen is being shared currently right now, and the other person in the meeting will be able to see it. So that is how you can do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.